All right, here are a few examples of how to combine like terms and solve for a single variable. So here we have 2x minus 4x plus 3 is equal to x minus 4 plus 7. So you want to combine these like terms over here, combine these like terms over here. This equal sign is a wall. So you don't want to combine any like terms across past the equal sign, but if they are both on the same side of the equal sign, you can go ahead and combine them. So 2x minus 4x is going to be a negative 2x. Bring down that plus 3 equals x plus 3. Good. So this is negative 2x plus 3 equals x plus 3. Now you're just going to move all of the variables to one side. You can either move the negative 2x over here so that it's positive, or move the x to the left just because it's more common. So I'll subtract x from this side, subtract x from this side. What I get is a negative 3x plus 3 equals a positive 3. Good? All right. Now I'm still trying to isolate x, right? And so now x is being multiplied by a negative 3 and it's being added to 3. So I want to do addition and subtraction first. Undo the addition by making the positive 3 into a negative 3. 3 minus 3 cancels out, so I have negative 3x. 3 minus 3 on this side means negative 3x is equal to 0. Don't stop just because this is 0. Okay, I know it can be confusing and you're thinking, oh, if that's 0, I should stop. Don't stop. Now x is being multiplied by negative 3, so I'm going to divide by negative 3. Negative 3x divided by negative 3 leaves us with x. 0 divided by negative 3, don't worry, it is not an error, okay? 0 divided by negative 3 is actually 0. If it was negative 3 divided by 0, that would be a problem. But I can divide 0 by negative 3 and it just gives me the number 0, okay? So for this example, x equals 0. We didn't stop just because we got a 0 at one point. You can go back and check. So we can write 2 times x, which is now 0, minus 4 times 0 plus 3 equals 0 minus 4 plus 7. Good, so now I'm just checking my answer. So I'm left with 3 on this side is equal to negative 4 plus 7 is also 3. Good, so that works out. X is 0. A different example might be 8x minus 6x plus 6 equals 3x minus 1. Good, all right, so again, you can combine like terms on one side. 8x minus 6x is a 2x plus 6 equals 3x minus 1. Now, over here, I subtracted the x so that all the x's were on the left. But here, if I subtract this, the x is going to be negative. That's not always the easiest, so I can subtract from this side too. So minus 2x, just to combine all the x's on one side. That's now a 6 equals 3x minus 2x is x minus 1. Good, now I need to move that 1 over, so I'm going to add 1, x is 7. Good, you can put it back into your equation. So that equation was 8 times 7 minus 6 times 7 plus 6 equals 3 times 7 minus 1. Good. 8 times 7 minus 6 times 7 plus 6 is 20. And then 3 times 7 minus 1 is also 20. All right, and then our last example is, one second. All right, our last example is 3x minus 14 minus 5x equals x plus 14 whole, plus x. Good? All right, so we're going to combine the terms 3x and negative 5x. And over here, we're going to combine x and positive x. Those are both positives. Good? So 3 minus 5 becomes negative 2x, okay? Because we're combining a negative 5. Remember, when you're combining two terms with different signs, you take the bigger number and you subtract the smaller number. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And then you check and you think the 5, the bigger number, is a negative. So your answer is also a negative. So it's a negative 2x. This is a negative 14. So negative 14 minus 2x equals x plus x is 2x plus 14. Good. All right, now we're going to start doing the opposites. This is interesting because it's negative 14 minus 2x, and here they're both positive, but don't let that stress you. It will still work. So to get rid of, to put all the x's on one side, I'm going to take the negative x, move it over here. So I'm going to do that by adding 2x. Good. These cancel. I still have negative 14 over here. 2x plus 2x is 4x. Those don't cancel out. Plus 14. So we have negative 14 equals 4x plus 14. Now I'm going to subtract that 14. Subtract that 14. Those do not disappear, right? These disappear. We have 4x on this side equals negative 28. Okay? My last step is just going to be divide negative 28 by 4. When we do that, negative 28 divided by 4 is negative 7. So if I put negative 7 back in here, will I get the right answer? 3 times negative 7 minus 14 minus 5 times negative 7 equals negative 7 plus 14 plus negative 7. Three times negative 7 minus 14 minus 5 times negative 7 is 0. And over here, negative 7 plus 14 plus negative 7 is also 0. So those do work out.